guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be getting into this look. I was definitely inspired by this top that I'm wearing. It's very like florally, so I definitely wanted to do something like really pink and pretty and soft. You guys all know how much I've been obsessed with soft glam. So yeah, this is the look that we're going to be getting into. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little notification bell. That way you get notified anytime that I make a new upload. We do have a hair collab today. Shout out to Unice Hair Company for sponsoring today's video, sending over the wig that we're going to be styling today. So yeah, along with the wig, they also sent over some goodies. We got some wig caps here, hair bands, and a nice little cute satin robe. Thank you. This little care package was super cute, so thank you so much to Unice Hair Company. And this is the wig. She's a really beautiful, like light, warm tones brown. I absolutely love this hair color. It's so pretty. The curl pattern is also really cute as well. It's like a little cute, like deep, like water wave type of situation. I'm going to leave all of the information for this hair in the description box, so if you have any questions, just make sure to check there as always. And so yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this install. I am going to be doing the bald cap method today. I've just been kind of feeling it, you know what I mean? Like I'm like, you know, very impressed that I still know how to do this, because usually I'm just like, you know, put on the wig and call it a day. I like skip the bald cap method altogether, but lately I've just been like liking the way it looks with my installs these days. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first today. I'm going to use the Ebin lace adhesive to secure the wig cap, and I'm also going to use this later to secure my wig down. This is like my favorite lace adhesive. I literally use it on every single lace install. It's definitely like one of my it's like my go-to thing that I use when I'm installing a lace wig, so it's really good. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my bald cap together first. I also use the Ebin lace tint in shade medium brown, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, medium brown, and I'm gonna use this instead of makeup to tint the wig cap. I personally prefer to use a lace tint for this particular step versus like makeup. I feel like, you know, it's just faster. You pretty much just spray it on and you're good to go. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. I don't have like any new changes or, you know, anything new going on with like how I install my wigs. Everything is pretty much the same. The styling that I did today is pretty much the same as well. I just did like my signature side part. I kept it real simple with styling. So, and I just did a couple swoops, you know, couple swoops here and there for my edges. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play some, you know, some vibe music out in the section right here. And don't forget to check the description box if you have any questions about the hair. The link to this exact wig will be in the description box as well for you guys. So I'm gonna finish up this hair. I'll be back to show you guys the finished look, and then we'll get into the makeup.
Never thought I'd be the one living for fantasy. Got me onto higher ground, I think I'm in too deep. When you heard me calling for you, already giving up on someone that you love, someone that you love, someone that you love. Act like you don't know me cause you got too much going on. For someone that you love, someone that you love, someone that you love. I'll be waiting, won't give up on you.
So I'm just about done doing my edges. Isn't this hair color so pretty though? Like, oh my gosh. I love doing like these lighter shades of brown. Thank you so much to Unice Hair Company for sending over this unit. It's so pretty, and I feel like it's gonna make such a cute transition into the fall time. I'm so excited about this wig. I can't wait to wear it again. But anyways, now that we are all done with the hair, let's go ahead and move into this makeup look. So first things first, I gotta go in with some primer. I'm gonna be using this one from Valentino. It's their V Lighter Face Base. It's got a little bit of glow to it, so it's gonna give the skin like that nice, fresh, glow that looks really great underneath foundation. I really like this stuff, and it's been a minute since I used it, so I wanted to pull it out and just kind of like, see if I still liked it. Anyways, I'm also going to be adding a little eye primer to my under eyes before I go in with concealer. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. I don't know if you're supposed to use this on your eyelid space or if it's specifically meant for the under eyes, but I saw Alexandra Anel use this on her channel, and I just wanted to give it a try and see how it worked, and I think it worked out really great. I felt like all my little fine lines on my lower lash line definitely like stayed creaseless for a lot longer than usual, so it's a win for me. I'm then gonna go in with foundation. I'm using Makeup Forever's Ultra H, no, not Ultra HD. It's just HD Skin Foundation. Love this stuff. It's in shade 3Y56. I got a couple of guys asking about the shade that I was using the last time I used this foundation, and I used 3Y56. It's so beautiful. It feels amazing on the skin, and it's perfect for these warmer, like hotter days where I don't want to go in with like a foundation that's too heavy or full coverage. Next up, we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm using an oldie but a goodie. This one's from Pat McGrath. This is the Sublime Perfection Concealer, and I'm using shade M16. I'm going to apply that on to the inner corners of the eyes, take that down into the under eye area, on the sides of the nose, a little on the sides of the mouth, and I'm going to blend that in using a sponge also from Makeup Forever. This sponge from Makeup Forever is bomb though. It's very soft. Like, I like it. It's really nice. I definitely wanted this look to be like more rosy pink type of vibe, so I'm gonna go in with that shade for blush. This one's from Rare Beauty. It's their Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. I'm gonna apply that also using a sponge just to make sure that I'm not going like too crazy with blush, because y'all know I love blush. like it's so easy for me to go overboard with it. So applying it with a sponge just makes it, a lot easier to kind of build the product up and use less products, so I'm not going in with too much at one time. And then I'm going to use a liquid highlighter. This one's from Iconic London, and I'm going to apply that to the high points of the cheekbones. I haven't used a liquid highlight in so long as well, but I kind of wanted to just like change things up today, like do something new, try new things, and maybe go back to old ways. So I was like, you know what, let me try a liquid highlighter, because why not? So I just applied that onto the tops of the cheekbones to add a little bit of glow before I set everything with powder. The powder that I'm using is from Laura Mercier. This is their classic setting powder in shade Honey. I'm gonna use a thin layer of this to set the concealer, and I am gonna go in to bake later, but I like to go in with like just a very thin layer of powder first before I go in with my bake. I also like to bronze before baking, because I apply my bronzer not just on like the cheekbones and the forehead, but also on the nose to do like a reverse contour type of vibe. So I'm going to apply that using a fluffy brush. The bronzer that I'm using is from Huda Beauty. This is their Glowish bronzer in shade Rich number 5. Love this one. It has like a really beautiful like warm tone to it, which is, obvious because it's a bronzer and that's what bronzer is supposed to look like. They're supposed to be warm toned, but you guys get what I mean. Anyways, now that my bronzer is on, I'll go in with my bake. I'm using that same Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm just going to make sure to take that super close to the sides of the nose. I'm also going to make sure to feather out the edges of my bake on the under eyes, so I'm not getting like, that harsh line from the bake. And then I'll use just a small amount of powder to bake the bridge of the nose as well. blush is from Artist Couture. This is the Love Sprung face palette, and just to kind of like match the liquid blush that I used earlier from Rare Beauty, I'm gonna apply like this really pretty mauvey type of shade from the palette and apply that onto the cheeks as well. And then I'm gonna go in with some highlighter to amp up this glow that we've got going on the cheekbones. This one is from House Labs. It's their Bio Radiant Gel Powder Highlighter in shade Peach Quartz. It's so pretty. It has like this really beautiful peachy undertone to it. It's so gorgeous. Like, I'm obsessed with this particular highlighter right now. I've been using it a lot. If you guys haven't noticed, I don't know if you did, but it's been making very regular appearances on this channel, and it probably will continue to do so. So at this point, I'm going to pause with the skin and move into this eye look. I did my brows off camera because they're just kind of like boring and same. So the first product that I'm going to use for the eyes is this really amazing matte liquid eyeshadow from About Face. Oh my gosh, these things are so awesome. I love them so much. So the one that I'm using is in shade La Zona Rosa. This is like a really pretty watermelon pink. I'm going to apply that onto the lid space and just make sure to blend it really well into the crease area. And this is going to act as like our base for the eye look. And then right after that, I used a little bit of blush. This one is just like a really cute like soft pink shade from the Artist Couture Love Sprung palette, and I'm gonna apply that onto the lid space to kind of like set the liquid eyeshadow, and also to really like perfect that blend that we got going on the crease. I really wanted like this to blend super well into the skin. And that's pretty much it for eyeshadow. I just went in with some liner on the waterline from Melt Cosmetics. This is their waterline eyeliner pencil in shade Caramel, and then I used a little bit of mascara on the top lashes, just on the top lashes, not on the bottom ones. The mascara is from Milk Makeup. It's their Kush mascara. It's a really good like volumizing one. And then I just added my lash. Pretty simple, really easy. You know, I kind of wanted to keep things super simple with this look. So right after that, I'm gonna go into this lip combo. I used my favorite two lip liners right now. The first one is from NYX Cosmetics. It's their Slide On Lip Pencil in shade Urban Cafe. It's a really like beautiful warm toned brown. I like using it with all of like my peachy nude colors, like even when I'm doing pink sometimes. It's like a really good like universal brown pencil. And then I'll do like my my little contouring line with a darker pencil. This one is from LA Girl. It's their eyeliner pencil in shade brown. Lipstick is going to be from Charlotte Tilbury from the Pillow Talk collection. This one is in shade Pillow Talk Medium. It's a really cute like warm shade of pink. I'm going to apply that afterwards. Make sure to blend that super well into the lip liner. And I am going to be going in with a little bit of gloss as well. This one is from NYX Cosmetics. It's their Butter Gloss in shade Tiramisu. Really cute like baby pink shade. I'm going to place that right on the center of the lips. And then just to kind of like touch up the eyes, I feel like they kind of needed something. So I added a little bit of extra depth and warmth to them with my bronzer. I just used that same Huda Beauty bronzer that I used earlier and applied that with a fluffy brush to the outer corners of the eye. And that was it for this hair and makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely let me know what you guys think of the look down below in the comments. I've been really wanting to do like a nice like rosy pink type of look, so I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Sending lots of love, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.